If you believe pickup trucks exist only for job sites, tools, and muddy boots, stop right here. Because what Mercedes-Maybach has created completely shatters that idea. This isn't a workhorse. This is wealth on wheels. Imagine taking the comfort of a private jet, the presence of a superyacht, and the dominance of a heavy-duty pickup and blending them into one outrageous machine. That's exactly what the 2026-27 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 pickup claims to be. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Aussie Rev, the channel where we don't just show you cars, we break them down the way real buyers think. No hype, no nonsense, just honest analysis. And today's vehicle might be one of the wildest luxury creations we've ever seen. Let's be clear from the start. This is not Mercedes trying to compete with the Ford F-150 or Ram. This is Mercedes-Maybach creating an entirely new category, an ultra-luxury pickup that exists purely because it can. The first time you see the Maybach GLS 800 pickup, your brain struggles to process it. It doesn't look like a truck. It looks like something designed for billionaires who don't ask for approval. Up front, the iconic Maybach grille dominates the face with towering vertical chrome slats that reflect light like polished jewelry. The massive three-pointed star sits proudly, flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that look sharp, precise, and intimidating. This vehicle doesn't blend into traffic, it reshapes it. Other cars instinctively move aside, not because they have to, but because the presence is overwhelming. Then you step back, and that's when the madness begins. The GLS luxury SUV body stretches into a wide-body, long-bed pickup, complete with dual rear wheels and oversized off-road tires that look capable of crushing anything beneath them. This is what happens when luxury stops caring about practicality and starts focusing purely on excess. It's not subtle, it's not modest, and it's absolutely intentional. From the side, the proportions feel dramatic, the length is exaggerated, the stance is planted, and the ride height makes it feel more like a rolling fortress than a vehicle. At the rear, the bed is sculpted with clean, premium finishes rather than industrial metal. LED lighting wraps around the tailgate, reinforcing that even the cargo area belongs in a luxury showroom. Open the door, and reality disappears. You're not stepping into a pickup. You're entering a Maybach lounge that just happens to have a truck bed attached. Every surface is wrapped in quilted Napa leather. The dashboard, doors, seats, and even lower panels feel soft, rich, and handcrafted. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin like mood lighting in a five-star hotel. Real wood trims, polished aluminum switches, carbon accents, and stitched leather surfaces come together in a way that feels obsessive. This is not mass-produced luxury. This feels personal. Dual widescreen displays stretch across the dashboard, combining a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment screen. Everything reacts instantly, smoothly, and intuitively. The seats don't just support you, they pamper you. Heated, ventilated, massaging, and deeply cushioned, they make long drives feel effortless. Rear passengers are treated like royalty. Reclining executive seats, footrests, fold-out tables, and individual climate zones turn the back seat into a private jet cabin. Yes, Mercedes really did it. Optional champagne coolers with crystal flutes are available in a pickup truck. This alone tells you logic was never part of the mission. The Burmeister 4D surround sound system doesn't just play music, it immerses you in it. Headrest speakers and bass vibrations make every track feel alive. This pickup is packed with Mercedes' latest tech, MBUX with AI voice assistant, augmented reality navigation, night vision assist, and a full suite of advanced cameras surround you with digital awareness. Level 3 semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and intelligent traffic assistance make long highway drives incredibly relaxed. Adaptive air suspension allows the truck to float over roads like a limousine or raise itself for off-road adventures, One button completely changes its personality. Despite its massive size, rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability, making tight spaces and city driving surprisingly manageable. Advanced towing assist and smart trailer stabilization systems mean this luxury beast can actually work, even if most owners never will. Under the hood, the GLS 800 badge signals serious performance. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid assistance is expected to produce around 600 to 650 horsepower. Torque arrives effortlessly, pushing this massive machine forward with shocking ease. Acceleration feels smooth, silent, and brutally confident. A 0 to 100 km/h time of around 4.5 seconds is almost unbelievable for something this large, proving that luxury doesn't mean slow. On the road, it feels calm and composed. Off the road, it feels unstoppable. This dual personality is what makes it so fascinating. Now comes the reality check. Expected pricing starts around $220,000 and quickly climbs past $280,000 with options. Fully loaded examples could touch $300,000. This isn't competing with trucks. It's competing with Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and ultra-luxury custom builds. Fuel economy will be poor, maintenance will be expensive, and servicing won't be cheap. Annual ownership costs could easily reach $5,000 to $8,000. Unmatched luxury, insane road presence, powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, extreme comfort, and total exclusivity. Ridiculously expensive, impractical for real work, massive size, poor fuel efficiency, and high maintenance costs. This pickup isn't for contractors or farmers. It's for CEOs, collectors, and people who already own multiple supercars and want something outrageous. The 2026-27 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 pickup is not about logic. It's about emotion, excess, and making a statement so loud it doesn't need to speak. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually buy this luxury pickup, or would you stick to a traditional truck? And what should we break down next on Aussie Rev? Another insane luxury build or a hardcore performance machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments.